Guidance on UK Tier 2 skilled worker visa and alternative routes for self-sponsorship, written by Mayank Gaur. Introduction. In general, a Tier 2 skilled worker visa requires a job offer from a UK employer who is a licensed sponsor. Self-sponsorship for a Tier 2 visa is not typically allowed. The key requirements for a Tier 2 visa includes job offer. You must have a job offer from UK employer who holds a valid Tier 2 sponsor license. Certificate of Sponsorship COS. Your employer must provide you with a certificate of sponsorship. Appropriate salary. The job must meet the appropriate salary and skill level requirements. English language proficiency. You must demonstrate proficiency in English. Maintenance fund. You must have enough money to support yourself without relying on public funds. Alternative visa routes. If you do not have a job offer from UK employer, you might consider other visa options. Global talent visa. This visa is for leaders or potential leaders in academic or research, arts and culture, and digital technologies. It does not require a job offer. Second, innovator visa. The visa is for experienced business person who wants to set up a business in UK. You need an endorsement from an approved body. Third, startup visa. The visa is for a new entrepreneur starting a business for the first time in the UK. You need an endorsement from an approved body. Fourth, student visa without post study work option. You can study in the UK and then apply for graduate visa to work. High potential individual visa HPI. The visa is for recent graduates from the top global universities. Detailed process for applying for a Tier 2 skilled worker visa. If you are eligible to have a job offer from the UK employer, here is a detailed process for applying for a Tier 2 skilled worker visa. Step 1. Secure a job offer. Job offer. Obtain job offer from the UK employer who can sponsor your visa. Certificate of sponsorship. Ensure your employer provides you with a certificate of sponsorship. Prepare documents. Gather the necessary documents, valid passport, certificate of sponsorship, reference number, proof of acknowledge of English, proof of a personal saving if applicable, tuberculosis test results if applicable, criminal record certification if applicable. Apply online. Complete the application form on the UK government website. Pay the visa application fee, the healthcare surcharge, biometrics appointment. Book and attend biometric appointment at a visa application center. Wait for decision. Wait for a visa decision, which typically takes a few weeks. Additional resources. For more detail and information, specifically requirement, visit the official UK government website. If you have any further questions or need additional guidance, feel free to ask. Thank you. Just subscribe our channel for getting such informative videos as always. Thank you. Signing off from Avantika Technologies.